Alright guys, good morning. It's Saturday morning here. I'm actually up at the Swiss Chalet grabbing breakfast. Louise is up the road. JJ's, I think she's picking up a few things. And Hannah Grace is at home Saturday and she's sleeping in. But yeah, I wanted to come up here and grab a breakfast real quick and show you guys this breakfast. Excellent breakfast. Got 2 eggs, sausage, bacon, hash brown, cheese, onions, tomato, and bread. But yeah, I wanted to grab a meal here real quick. This should hold me over for the day. Got turned on to this place a little over a year ago by a subscriber named Fred, and it's been a while since I've been here, but this will tie me over for the day. Got a lot of running around to do. Got to get back up to Savers, got to hit the hardware store, hopefully hook up with the rice guy today. But yeah, another busy day. Kind of overcast. Somebody said it was going to rain today, but we'll see. But I'm going to dig into this breakfast. Alright, so Louise is up here now. She's talking to the rice dealer. Up across the street from the main market, the Blinky market. And you get all these stores across the street. A lot of them are retail dealers and also wholesale dealers. But she's up here right now, wheeling and dealing, and of course I'm not there because, well, you know. But figured I'd break out the camera and show you this area up here. I was up here a couple weeks ago, did a little film on this up here, but this is where we're at right now, and gotta find the store here. I could probably even walk in there and act like I don't know her. All right. Let me see, what is the name of the place? I see it, hang on, we'll get there. Dewey and Edna, that's the name of the place. Dewey and Edna is friends with our landlord, and they sell rice right here. From what my landlord told me, he said they do rather well right here, but this is a hot place right here. There's so many people here every day. Place is packed every day, so I could see, you know, them selling a lot of rice every day. That's it right there, Dewey and Edna. Dewey and Edna, rice retailer and poultry supplies. So they do rice and they do chicken feed there.
Hello.
All right, so what did you find out?
I find out that you need to buy 10 sacks before they have a free delivery.
So 10 sacks for free delivery,
yes.
And of course the sacks are going to run different prices.
Yeah.
So what do you think? Think it's a good deal?
Yeah, it's the same. They're all the same.
They're all the same. But we're getting free delivery with 10 sacks of rice. So
like all of them, they will offer you free delivery if you order 10 sacks.
So you gotta buy bulk and then free delivery. What do you think? Should we go for it?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're gonna go for it. All right, guys. So Luke came up with prices and everything already, so I'm allowed to show up now. I don't even think it really would have mattered because he knows Kurt, and Kurt is our landlord and everything. So, anyways, now it's time to pay, and I guess they're gonna deliver it today. So, but anyways, here's the store. we actually picked up a scale yesterday, so we're good to go with that. But that's the rice sacks back there. Now it's just deciding what kind of rice we want to, or Louisa wants to sell in the store. Of course, we'll probably go with the most popular and probably have one, you know, kind of expensive, very good rice, because sometimes people want to treat themselves to a good rice, but people are they're just stuck on certain rices, and that's what they buy, and we want to be able to provide that for them at the store. So, all right, guys, so we're up here also, and we decided, we had actually talked about selling little bags of coal, so we actually grabbed some coal while we're up here. They actually put it in separate bags, and we bought 2 bags at 100 pesos for the big bags, and then of course we'll sell the smaller bags in. But yeah, here's the coal, and you can see this guy here. This guy's got the dirty job. He's got the dirty job. Very dirty job. But yeah, you can see, you know, they just bags it up and puts it in the bag, ties it up, and then he'll put it in the bigger bags. How many's in one bag?
10.
There's 10 pieces in the bag. So
How about a little interview to the workers?
I just filmed him.
How about that?
I had to film his worker. I say he's got the dirty job. Always dirty.
Yes, it looks like dirty, but it's not.
It washes off.
Yes,
Yeah.
the bacteria is already...
Say that again?
The bacteria is already dead because of the burn.
Oh, okay.
But it looks like dirt.
Right.
Dirty, but it's not.
So it doesn't get up in his lungs, and
No, it helps a lot inside the body, because the coal takes the bacteria inside.
okay, there it is.
Yes.
So you can breathe in the coal dust, and it won't bother you. It's good for you.
Yes, it's good for
There it is. He says it's good for you.
You know the refrigerator?
Yes.
If it smells a little bad, you put some charcoal inside,
Okay.
and it will take it.
It'll take the smell out.
The smell out. Yes.
All right. I didn't know that. Now I do.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't know that. All right. Learned something new. Thank you.
Yes.
All right, guys, we're back to the store right now. We're waiting for the rice guy to get here. I think it's around 3:30, something like that. Waiting for that delivery. But we went to the hardware store. We also went to the appliance store, bought a few things there. But one of the things we did buy today is the water dispenser. Now, I said I was going to go with just a water cold dispenser, but they didn't have any there. And I was talking to the sales kid, and he was telling me that I just went with, you know, the cold water. What would happen is they don't make any that are really efficient. So I went with the hot water and cold water. And what's nice is you can turn the hot water off, so you don't even need to use, you know, run the electric up with trying to keep up with the hot water. So we bought that today. Like I said, rice, coal, just a few small items that we needed. Bought a little ladder or a little step stool here for Louisa, so she can get up to the top shelves. As you can see, she's starting to stock the shelves. And we did inventory. We were doing inventory. I was writing the prices on everything as she was telling me what to write on them. Did that. What else? Anything else, Flip? Anything else exciting? Put in a electric power strip here. We'll probably have a table or something right in this area, so you know, I got to plug into computers and cell phones and things like that. What else did we get, Bud? I can't even think. Bought some wire because we plan to hang wire from that wall to this wall so she can display her things. Trying to think. I don't know. What else did we buy? Oh wait, I know what we bought. The best thing of the day. Let me show you guys. The best buy of the day. All right, guys, I'm going to show you the best buy of the day. There's been a lot of debate about this. A lot of people had, well, not a lot of people, but some people I know had done videos on this and the pros and cons and would you, wouldn't you, do you prefer it or don't you prefer it? So I'm going to show you guys the best buy of the day. There it is. We bought the bum gun. Runs down, hooks up down there. I actually got to get a two-way so I can go into the toilet. Got to fix the toilet. And but that bum gun, I call it the bum gun, is the best buy of the day. And first time I ever tried the bum gun was here in the Philippines. All right, guys, the rice has arrived. Brought in a little, one of the jeepneys, but check this out. Tosses it up on his head. He brings it in, sets it down. Said to look, maybe I'll give that a shot. Then I'll be in the hospital. That little bag. It's 25. What are these big ones? They're 50. They're 50 and those are 25. Huh? Yeah, it's standing right there. So you got a 50 kilo and a 25 kilo. I can handle the 25, I'm sure. And I have to handle the 50, but I wouldn't throw it up on my head, that's for darn sure. Now you bought 50 kilos, but they only came in 25 pound, 25 kilo bags. But you bought 50 kilos, so.
Like this is 25, 20.
Right, that's 50. And we got 10 bags, or we got 10 different types of rice. 10 different? No, you got.
There's a 6. There's a 6 type of rice, but they won't allow me to have a free delivery if I only get 6.
Right, that's right, that's right.
Some of them I get 2.
Right, 2 of the same brand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Holy shit, that's our car.
Alright guys, guy was unloading the rice and the cars were coming around and had a guy in a pickup truck come by and brushed alongside the car, and the guy's nice enough, he stopped, he's here right now getting all his information and everything like that. And but yeah, right there is same side as you know, the other time we had the accident, right through here, wrinkled the fender out a little bit, but we'll get that taken care of. And great day to, or a great way to end the day today. And what are you gonna do? But yeah, like I said, the guy's kind enough to stop. Well, he did stop. Decent guy. It was a nice pickup truck, fairly nice sized pickup truck. And we're getting all the information right now. And he admitted, he said, hey, it's my fault, and he'll take care of it. So anyways, guys, we're gonna wrap this one up, and the journey continues and the fun continues, and tomorrow's another day, and we'll see you then.